Okay guys, trouble codes. See if there's any trouble codes in here. No trouble codes. Let's go to live data. Let's go under cylinder misfire. Start this up. Okay guys, so the car's been running now for like 10 minutes. I don't think we got really any misfires. Can we look at any more in here? Okay, so we can do the x-axis up by 8. Doesn't look like there's any misfires. I was trying to get the change earlier, but I think we had just too little time.